It's simple time and this is Chef Sato and today magluluto tayo ng kakaiba. Ready na ba kayo? Let's get cooking!
Simple, luto na, ha-ha.
So gagawa tayo ng sizzling bangus recipe. Kadalasan kasi pag sinasabi natin sizzling, gravy yung sauce niya. But this time, gagawin natin coconut-based ang sauce. So, it's sizzling bangus with coco sauce. So, sisimulan natin. So, meron tayong bangus. Ito siya, kailangan siya, ang size siya, kasya siya sa ating sizzling plate. No? Boneless to siya. And, gagawin natin, ang timpla natin is sobrang simple. Just patis. And, calamansi. Yan. How simple can that get? Just patis and calamansi. No? Just beat it. No? Let it marinate. Around 10 minutes is fine. 5 to 10 minutes is fine. Immediately, meron akong cornstarch dito. Just cornstarch. Plain cornstarch. And I'm just going to dredge. Number 1, para hindi tumalsik yung ating oil, no, when we put it, kasi the cornstarch absorbs all the, moisture. And also, it has a crisp finish, no? And I'm going to drop my fish, no? Presentation side down, no? So, ito pa-present natin. Ito yung una ko i-drop. So, careful. Yan. And fry. And while our bangus is frying away, gagawa tayo ng fried garlic as garnish. So, I'm just gonna heat up oil, no? And I have 2 tablespoons of garlic here. So, wag natin painitin yung oil before we put the garlic. Kasi pag mainit na yung oil, masusunog siya agad. We want the moisture of the garlic to evaporate while the garlic is toasting. So, look at that. Nagkakaroon na ng konting color yung ating garlic. Beautiful. So, luto na yung ating garlic. And itatabi ko lang siya. I have a bowl here. Look at that, no? Beautiful golden garlic. And I'm going to use the same pan. Look at the same pan here. With the oil. May konting oil pa yan. I put my ginger. Siling labuyo because we want it spicy. Yan. Pag gata, masarap may anghang. And of course, I have gata. No? This is coconut cream. Kakang gata. Look at that. It's creamy. Ha? It's creamy. It's creamy and delicious. I add sugar to be able to bring out the coconut flavor more para mas maging masarap siya. Yan. Tablespoon of sugar. Just soy sauce for a nice color. Yan. And I will just let that simmer away, no? Let it simmer away until it's creamy. And my bangus, it's already crisp on one side. Babalik ta rin ko para maging crisp din yung opposite side. Look at that, no? Beautiful color. And my sauce is almost done. Look at that. It's getting thick. I just season with a little bit of salt, no? So, yung soy sauce ko, pangkulay lang siya para maging maganda yung kulay niya, no? A little bit brown, a little bit beige, and seasoned with salt, so it's tasty, and black pepper. Yan, I like it peppery. Yan, and our sauce is done. Look at that. And, of course, you will see our sauce has thickened up, nag-reduce siya. I'll set that aside here, and I'm gonna heat up my sizzling plate. Yan, sizzling plate natin. Ready to heat up kasi our bangus is almost done. Crisp na rin yung other side. Siguro in a minute, it's going to be done. Just enough time for my sizzling plate to heat up. And we just remove our bangus here. Wow, look at that. Crisp na crisp, no? Alam mo, yung cornstarch is one thing you can use to really crisp up your food. Look at that. And alam nating malasa to because we marinated the fish earlier, no? Yeah, look at that. Wow. The bangus is there. And now, we pour over our sauce. And it's done. Try this at home. Our original sizzling bangus with coco sauce. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages. And of course, tag a friend as well.